would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick Costco haul with a bunch of back to school snacks and just a couple of essentials. Nothing major, nothing big, just to kind of get us started for the school year. So let's check it out. Okay, so we have some baby carrots. We keep trying to order them from the grocery store, but 3 weeks in a row, either they've been slimy and for the last 2 weeks, and then this past grocery order, the bag was open, it was slit open, and carrots were falling out, so Costco to the rescue. And we have string cheese for a healthy snack option, goldfish for quick and easy. We got some of these layered fruit bars, just for a treat to put in lunch boxes for after lunch treats. Animal crackers, same kind of thing. And some pup mix. We had this at Costco one time. It was in the sample section, and it was so good. All of us like it. So it's not healthy, but it's a really yummy treat for all of us to snack on. Got some lemon, kind of like graham cracker cookies, I guess. I don't know, we haven't tried these before, but they sounded good to stick in lunch boxes as well. Edamame beans for a little snack or for lunches. Velveeta crunchy biscuits, a little snack for morning time. And I saw that they had these, I've never seen these at the grocery store, but the mango fruit snack or fruit cups. So Jackson really likes mango. He's really picky on his breakfast fruit, so we'll do those for a quick and easy morning breakfast. And got these Aussie bites. I was trying to get the Bobo muffin bites, but they were out of stock, I guess, so I got these as an alternative, so hopefully everybody likes these. If not, I'll eat them. Watermelon, because we're almost out in the fridge, and Charmin. Probably should have bought 2 of these because it was on sale, but that's it. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a yummy back to school treat that I made for my kids. And so we're going to go ahead and start off by layering a 9x13 pan with some ice cream sandwiches, and then go ahead and add a layer of Cool Whip. And I'm using half of the larger container of Cool Whip. Next, you're going to go ahead and put on some chocolate sauce. I used hot fudge, which seems like a mistake. It was pretty hard to get out of the container, so I'd probably just use regular chocolate sauce next time. And then you're going to drizzle some caramel sauce on top of that. And next, you'll go ahead and sprinkle some mini M&Ms or whatever candy of your choice. Got my little helper, Jamie. He couldn't wait to do this part. He was so excited. And then you'll repeat those same layers in that same order there. And this is how it turned out, and it was so delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a great school year. Don't forget to subscribe.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right. We'll find the rest.